Okay, so I'm just quickly testing my compressor pump. This is made in England. It's over 50 years old. It's a Tecalemit one. I've had it in storage for years and years, so I'm just making sure it works. This is one way you can check to see if it works. I've connected a motor to it. I've also put a small compressor tank, and I've connected it with the air line onto a grinder just to see if it works. Okay then, yep. Okay, so yeah, it works perfectly. That noise, that bang was just release valve because the compressor is so small, the tank is so small. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.